what's up everybody? Yamaha demo days back in Dallas, so I'm here. Oh, it feels good to be back on a sport bike. The bike feels really nice and tight, nice aggressive riding angle, and the famous Yamaha brakes. Like, I love how strong the rear brakes are on Yamahas. As you all know, I have a Ducati Monster 821, so a lot of times when I do these demo events, I make it my point to try to ride sport bikes or cruisers, or, you know, something I don't ride on a normal basis. Like, as of right now, I'm completely enamored with the 2017 Honda CBR 1000RR SP. Like, I really like that bike. I haven't got a chance to ride one yet, so I should be able to get a chance to ride one at MotoGP this year, which is next month, so we'll see how that works out. Yeah, this bike loves to lean over. Man, y'all hear this bike? That's what I'm talking about. Yeah. Oh, that was nice. Man, these 600s, let's say get up above 8,000 RPM, it's go time. Oh, she screams. Oh, yes. Go, guy, go. Yo, I know y'all hear this bike. I mean, the throttle is smooth. The shifter is smooth. Man, different riding modes, traction control. What? When it comes down to it, do you really need a leader bike? God. Oh, if they just start putting the same tech that's in the leader bikes on the 600s, that'll just be a win for everybody, because these 600s are still amazing bikes. And you can just rev them to the moon, like, man. Well, I thought I was gonna punch it again, but oh well. Man, I love my naked bike, but man, it's just something about a sport bike. Nice. It's nice. Like on the couple on ramps we got to punch it. It's nice, man. Cool. It's so smooth, like, and it screams. It's just easy to ride. That's the first thing I thought. Easy to ride. Man, I used to not like sport bikes, but now it's like, I mean, I can kind of see, you know, the purpose for them. Right. It's just pure adrenaline. It's pure adrenaline. That's the best way I can put it.